This illustration deals with other than dwelling units, bathrooms, and shower stalls. NEC 210.8, B as in boy, 12. Purpose of change. A revision has been made to clarify that ground fault circuit interrupter protection for personnel should be provided on all 125 volt through 250 volt receptacles installed in bathrooms and shower stalls where receptacles are installed within 6 foot of the outside edge of the bathtub or the shower stall. Three-phase receptacles rated 150 volts or less to ground at 100 amps or less are also included. Now first let's just look at this shower stall here. And notice GFCI protection in the call out showing that receptacle by the locker room there and showing the deals there. The protection, if located within 6 foot of the shower stall per NEC 210.8B12, has to be GFCI protected if it's within 6 foot from here to here. And of course, you're not allowed to put them inside the shower stall. That'd be wrong. But 210.8B12 deals with the shower stall. Now, any type of bathroom, if that receptacle is within 6 foot in accordance with 210.8B and 210.8B12, then it's required to be GFCI protection if it's within 6 foot of that sink. And that kind of expands the rule with this revision when it's pertaining to where those receptacles would have to be GFCI protected or they would not have to be GFCI protected in other than dwelling units.